does hurting behavior comes from?
Very important. Komodi we die. Yin bebre. Ye betre 7 ways bia. Hurting behaviors free eba. Number 1, before you be course no make it for say yen komodi ye psycho biblical. Nti ye betre Bible ne a church psychology so senior a church sanya me we na ase.
Okay.
Na the first one is unhealed wound.
Obia ye prana.
Obia ye prano.
Wenya obramu kuro.
Eno no ni yakosu akra ka ho asem kakra no pay.
Okay.
Ena obia maybe bibi ehia no ye meet sa ade no unmet needs. Shame susu wo ho. Osuro fear eno so wo ho.
Obefa ne mako no aboy ho.
Ai mefa ne mako.
That's right.
Eti me bobo so ma amanfo atiansa. Ena envy se wo ani bire obi ade obi ya wo ya.
Eno so kan.
Eno so ka ho. Ena power.
And any brief for alamunte pa. Hey.
To me.
Okay.
Obi super power pa.
Okay.
Ena sin nature.
Boni
suna
way mu no.
Ntina meka ma amfotika etie se psycho biblical.
Right.
Enti yenko unhealed wounds.
Obi a ye pra no. Na okuro.
Ekuro bi woni mu yen hwe de Cain ye hwe Cain story na ono no sacrifice na ye no yanje antum.
Nyankopon sa na wanje antum.
Yes, se wo ye papa e beji watu. Wait, people say yeah, rocket science. Yeah, Jumani here.
Yeah, dear ye.
Obia be who say oh why are there? Enti my Genesis 4:7-8 no. Cain's sacrifice is rejected.
Okay.
He's downcast. Why bosan? Ya kan nanim yes wan ya there. Ena Nyankopon ka che ne say.
Kobet mine you ka osakra wa.
Nyankopon say sin is crouching at your door. Che say bone and nam wonim ho ahwehwe.
Just say emma wo dem nansa. Etete ho. Okay.
Yes ago fear. Cain wo ho ana. Or see its desire show it but you must rule over it.
Oh, so he could have mastered it.
Yes, Cain does not rule it. And he say yeah bonnet of unhealed wound no. You bet me say a fucking story now. And no Nyankopon ka che ne say the desire say what feel downcast no nti pain say obi aye obibi obi akasa wani basabasa obi edi usika obi aye obone na sa oya no aba wo mu
right
and oya no etete manche
hwehwe
ukwan no see the desire is for you say ube acti ube ye bibi because of sa pain no enti de beye brofo meka no game changing key no ade e be sesa sa part ni say ube rule and answer sa pain no e be rule over you and see the first murder in scripture no is committed by a man whose wound is not handled.
Na just Nyankopon rejecting ne sacrifice no a creative wound.
A creative wound.
Eyene ya. Dina de obetumi aye ne say also diso.
Also this wound
or share or to me healing. One healing no and transmit it.
And only unhealed wound say be proud. Now when me and go through it. Now when rule over it. Now fade here akoda ne bibi
right.
Ain't your original wound no adesi emfa say ukunu akasa wani mbasabasa woni pemu.
Okay.
And only first thing is your original assembly.
Right.
Say a go through process be one process it. Just say our dream only baby I'll be cancer assembly no achiro. And no hoye on process wound.
Right.
No safe space. Like assembly see na maybe oh mama penyimu bia. Only nature say oh mommy last week no me kunu ye me ade bi.
Okay.
Eye me ya okasa meni basabasa ni pemu.
Right.
And no na on process no wentimi antimi anka ho asem.
Na bisa obi so ha onibia. I don't know.
Uniobia, ueradi.
Right.
So
even if you go to God in prayer.
Yeah, make an say, Maquai, Nama Sapenu, Kawansem. Say, ya make any nipa na okachena.
Even in prayer.
Get a
lament
outlet.
on it in prayer.
Kaserade, asem de yemia.
Right.
Minio bia meneneka.
Right.
Medima sem ni na ere eba weni.
Right.
So se pain no ahona se ankwan kan wansema. O body no best store what the mind cannot speak. Wa adwene nkan den so wo body no astore. Na after the movie called defense, maybe a friend defensive adaptation.
Right.
O body a store adieno. Enti sisiano etie for cortisol ne amygdala ne niamani nano. Eno de SOMPA de wa tuni na obeti. O body ne such that bibi a de be komu bia no. I say garbage in, garbage out.
Right.
Nti wo nervous system no ebe sua wa adwin wo body no be sua sena yesi di ye wo no it is say asem na na say nipa nyo nipa si modi yo e was say wo hwe hu yo it de bia no why alert
Right.
untimi nye free ukunu kra ka asem bia enya asem o ka the last time no kan no ma yibi na eya o say o sabe ka asem ni biem no ka wo nipa mu na na it wo de bia why alert.
Right.
Oh yes, and say ne be ya obe controlling na oya no ensamba biom because your body no bibi a friend flight or fight system no. A boy who ban say ne be ya bibi etu yen ya ye be hu say ne be boy who ban ne.
Right.
Enti wo fi ho na na sa pain no. So when ti mi manage na defense ne ba musa na she say ade me be wi ata so pa. En rita so na provoke say yenya na yemfa en moya hu fa mental health. She said there was no bagawaya. Obi dia yemedia. Until now the pain is reproduced.
It is said here what a bro egu the fan nikenike mu.
Yes.
A bro aba. But what the good nikenike mu na mele no. Ayamono. A processing in some way. And now say be a what enkate di egu e fe ne say the amade ayam we mo kan say kitchen the amade yam kate
blender
na odi ayam ne sa e by mu as enkate who say but a processing it out and
adane no akoye bibi fufu but the value is the same,
right,
or even more,
right,
because a different a variation, a different type of pain no oni pakon inti oni pakon no afeidie ono so ye nipa bi basa inti mikru no so ya sheda na ye ko ayi nhyiamu bi me so me de be me ma no wo
make can be
make eno no kwa de me nka onye ono nko ni nuanum ni na wo fase mu ni na o ma ba wo na me chi o mo busumia ye duamu abu
that's what better
so to e de be she me oh inti eno ni unhealed wound no na ye ko baby a oya ofi e baby so e fe no se ade bi ehia obi a onipa ko ne nsankan unmet needs enti beneath se onipa ko suban bi obi di danadi no normally no e free baby
okay
se me bi wenya bibi na ehwemu che se bibi e fe attachment theory. Psychologists be a friend no Bobby. Or no bibi about senior akola enyi senior was so nya atenka fa omo was omo buano primary caregivers.
Right.
To send mama ni papa obi a was obe ni mama ni sane man obu a wenya saade no.
Wow.
Enti no ka unmet needs ho ebi fu eso ka ho enti bibi ti say safety. Bambo se baby owo no ne hotono na sumudwu no oni osuro bia woni mu no se oni ba konu so no wanya sa ade na oye panyimu a na wabeye hypervigilant de bia o hwe baby a me wona wo se me hwem hu yi o asem okay kra me bi kra o be so oye me bibi o obian carrying susu de bia
no I say
detective no why is the police near or hwehwe ne ma bi mu aha enti de bia no asem no nsi ye so no obo ne ho ban
Right.
aha eno no ye one thing attachment ne say bibia secure bonds
Okay.
say oni ne mama ne papa maybe oni obi na tina ye oni ba ko ne ye na ayaka de enti so oni pa ko no se wanya sa de na obeye panyimu a ana say even in collaborate no se bibia maybe neja ana say na onye bi o bam no dodo o clingy to oni pa ko no dodo enti o ma oni pa ko no space.
Right.
Obi ba oni ba ko no nchen ano debi aha ye me territory me shie ni me die ni no control sometimes you crampo ono so reject oni pa ko no first osuro say ni pa no be reject ni ntino and me reject you first kwa na ompo am reject me.
Wow.
Enti intimacy so be ben no so be the odo be ba na nchen no osuro it is either or control space na mo bia kwan and so be rejected. Enti obi ben no na ye na ye ti fie mu oni obi na ti ye ni na maybe ye dan nipa ba ko ono nko a pese bibia e ba na nchen.
Right.
Say maybe maame ne no ema ni nua bibia na ye ne ya.
Right.
Say maame no e ba ni nua ba so a na ye ne ya ni na ye attachment ni bi ebi so ye recognition. Enti ni na your met needs ni bi o enti obi ya obone a
Recognition ni just say opese enipa hu no.
Opese enipa hu.
Enipa ehun so no so around.
Ono so around.
Mess me oha.
Say maybe akola no or ye bibi o son oh mommy I did this my way also me the faculty baby.
No, pia atonchen.
Akola was not recognized.
Oh.
Enti oh mommy oh ti say na beka say oh you have done or clap for Jay-Z papa when yansa.
Mano obi die na bia no anya.
Oha ni nua bia na so share oh the way they o ya de bona baso. Enti de bia no sa nipa no nyi a o demand say ye be hu no.
Right.
Enti de bia o person controlling eni bi o me na me ye we yo last time no kwa me na ebusa me say me ye we yo obi emusa na hwe enti de bia no because of their need to be recognized no say ye be hu no say we ye pipi ni e bo wa baso ana nipa hu say oh we are dio wo yi talent bia wo ana say bibia wo no ohun say nipa ben wa na di buefu na ye ne ya ti no owo wase wo adwuma mu wo baby amu ye program bi mu ye teamwork bi o me de den opesa ensusu na ono no because ye hu ni de ni ntino enu nti eno yesa.
Wow.
Ena worth.
Wow. Unmet need.
Unmet need ba kususu eni sese na oni pa ko ni ebu ni ho fa. Worth. Say na wo si hu ho fa.
Obi ha nkofo opese nkofo na ebu no.
Aha,
inti se kasa nya ne mu.
Yes, inti se oni pa ko no maybe uso na ye munu. Ye kasa ni ba an me hwani tibi odinam ho. Mo hwe ne ho basa bi odinam ho. Na wo dwi so be ye. Sanse mi na inti when wet is condition just we ye bibi ansa. Ya kasa o why ade se wo mama no just because say wo ye ne ba. Anansa wo ye ne nana bi inti no. Inti oni pa ko no onyisa na odinkofo badam ene be ya onu be feel say onu susu wo ho se wa ma wa nkofo ma onu feel say odimu
bisa so man ha me pese ha no me gina ho kakra.
Okay.
I'm from Munti me pa sasma this person is explaining is very deep, very 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 deep. Say oru baby in life na opese enipa eyo yedom ansana wanya obu a wonya ma ho a no a eno nche se we dwe o Ghana ya ne enti dwe ase enti ahobrase so ase Ghana ha no se yakasa bi ne ho ase a obi a yetietia no so wrong. Lack of assertion doesn't make you a humble person. Humility rests on three things. Did he can say obi a we teachable? What you da ha? Say we am from so a obi to me edin down what you say oh daddy we dey. Enso me nu e obi a who to me admit o mistakes. E to so me ensa e obi a ubu nipa. Sa three things and men nipa e humble. Unti me pa. It is a one boom ya. So one to me and so now one casan chira cra. At the point moon say, oh, percent crofo and a herb build up. But remember, you are the master builder of your life. Pick it up. Build your confidence. Speak to yourself. Kasachira Bible says at the point, David encouraged himself in the Lord. He encouraged himself. That is how you build your self-worth. Don't build your self-worth at the back of destroying others. This our partner piece like very deep point and we make and share for friend him say one may you don't have self-worth about build it yourself because God has given you something. President, that was a deep one. Yes, into your interest.
Inti sisi aye ko shame eni osu. Obi wo ha enyeme bi ato no anase sinto bi a oye na bibi nti no. Ono ankasa neni ewu ne ho. Ono ane ho.
Right.
Ha, inti say Adam.
Oh, Hambapay. Oh, Hambapa Adam. Oh, men and Adam. Adam are bro preachers and so.
Adam and
Who
thank God for Jesus.
Oh,
the second Adam.
Thank you.
First Adam no dear.
Oh,
but first Adam na.
Me do have an ambassador Michelle Mekoshi Adam. Besame na Adam could dinko mopa. Na me bisa say oh na Edenis.
Inti sanu oni ba ko nani ewu bibi o. Za fade na ode eko apufuro so. Eno so kan ho pa ma nkofo epra nkofo.
Wow.
Na yeko fear osuro.
Osuro.
Obu ho a ofiliso ye kenkon bibi o. Obi bana owo talent bi oye bibi o ya ade maybe adwuma mu first na ka wona wo type fast pa oba ye onu type more than anything.
Then Gen Z for Gen Z for them special.
Yes ana so no ebe ti say real sometimes obi threaten say meye wo say ho ana say just by say wo dream say no nipa kon oba ye obi ehwa no threat or perceived say bibi sa eba ho so no na fidi onipa kono amygdala no start fire onipa kono obeji me place ana obeji me position ana man hwe ni years akra we ya oba 2 months ya CEO eni ni tututu kwan yi
obeji me
ochine nkwan ya be ne manager eni e mechie no pa say yes obeto me me ba ha che omo friend say MBA
MBA for ade ombayo
MBA for teacher say ebufuo why aggressive afedi e wuchuchu drunk akra ona last ade a oni bakonye wo se waye na wo keka nsem chenkrofo me dem mayenye ni sei sa na fear so edema nkrofo eden epra afu
bisa somo ho na ehons no bese abusafo
bese me so de David no
bese me de bi ka ho so na prisla e ka de osuro ye nyina yi nipa na onipa bia no o mrewe osuro betumi ama wo aye brebia ense se wo ye so sane prisla kan o bibia he has the kingdom but the fear no osuro bia ewura no amana ni afiri de owo no so ebia we ejum panyini me hu a teacher fo a o kire akore bia de na so sura akora no o chana de o university so sura no ka me am be here at me am na din komo yi how beautiful it is say my pour me hu into her because I am not eternal me ni ho a my mere no so is running with it. That's how life is. It's passing one baton to the other. But you see, obi osuru bia no, the root cause no, low self-esteem. And they say obi 1 na yakụ 2 na yakụ 3. enti se wo wana how ho one one ye beka every ansa ne akotu ohu ofa so pa o tu a e ma ne ha ho ye bedu 2 ansa do 3. You must always not forget say obi will always be better than you, but the wo de no mane ye wo de fear biara irrational biara no, it is not a good device and a good resource in your life. That was impressive. And impressive, you can be now. I'm actually you herself.
Okay.
Aggression, withdrawal, deception, hyper control. Fear cannot stay still. It must do something. And how fear hurt others. And they won't say fear no. Because of the fear, now why aggressive? Because of the fear, na fear or the nada eba. Because of the fear, now hyper control and micromanaging. Fear. Just a fear cannot stay still. It must do something. What do you have to say about that?
And I saw sorry free throne so I would David Echiwo a wilderness. He couldn't stay still.
Oh, throne
you have a palace with seat. Eddie David Echia pursuing. I'm on cry any opportunity and go back home. And yanka send an hour dad the jaw da ho, I will just out that one on your opportunity. And also your head or no dear. On to me find a son kaede, do yanko poede as son.
Right.
And fear will always make you do things. And here may be a emphata. Only pakonon kashi or se waka. Na opportunity biba na wetiem. Ultimate na say ye be promoting pakono. Oh, nam ka mumu nyama nya kakra. Na you see an real probation. Or new baby. Now, oh, say dream about the person. Fear will always be moving you.